Yo, this is Steve with Level Up. And if you want to level up your grow game, the water you give your plant needs to be free from impurities. The best way to do this is an RO system. And Hydrologic Stealth RO is my choice. This is a fully customizable RO system capable of removing 97 to 98% of all minerals and impurities. And based on our experiments, sometimes even 100%. I honestly consider this thing fully portable just because the installation is crazy fast. And depending on the model, you can produce up to 150 or 300 gallons of ultra pure low ppm water. Here you can see the carbon and the sediment filters. These filters work as a great pre-filter for this system. It's easy to know when these filters need changed, and doing so is quick and painless. The RO water will come out of the blue line, as you can see here, while all your wastewater will come out of the black line, and the pressure gauge will let you know that your incoming water pressure is appropriate. Stay in the green. It's really that simple. We all know that RO water is a secret to happy, healthy plants. They crave it, and I do too. These RO systems are available in-store or online at levelupgardensupply.com. And always remember, money doesn't grow on trees. That is a lie. Level Up, Seed and Garden Supply.